my love, this weekend we find ourselves in the big bird paradise.
Oh my word. Ag nee, kyk hierso. Ek gaan dit in Afrikaans sê, dit klink net 1000 maal beter in Afrikaans. Ons is in die grootvoel paradys.
Grootvoel, papi, grootvoel.
Oudtshoorn, jou lekker ding.
Oudtshoorn is my birth town. Huh?
Yeah,
Can
your
you believe
birthplace,
it?
yeah.
I was born here.
Yeah.
55 years ago I was born here.
Okay, but
and I'm back here again.
Can we just get something to drink before we talk away?
Yeah, we're actually starting the video with this, and I love it. I love it. It's like my best video ever. Listen to it.
I'll put some ice.
Oh, there's a little bit of a crackle. Yeah, you want some ice? But yeah, tell the people where we are.
Yeah. First, I just want to say thank you, Gerard and Lisby, for inviting us to this marvelous place. We've heard about this place such a lot, but we've never been here before.
From numerous people.
Yes.
A lot of people have told us about this place.
This is like a baken in Oudtshoorn.
Yeah.
Because when everybody comes to Oudtshoorn, they drive here and they stop here. They enjoy the farm stall and the
everything has to do
the
outside.
restaurant, and we'll show you that tomorrow. But don't just drive by. Stop for the night. There's accommodation here. They've got 14 rooms, and it's so affordable.
Did you say where we are? You didn't mention the name.
It's coming. We're staying at the Smitswinkel.
Sorry, you go on.
We're staying at the Smitswinkel accommodation just next to Smitswinkel Padstal.
Yeah, and what a padstal it is.
Wow.
I've just lured in there and
But
it's very
there's
interesting.
nice gardens in front of the accommodation. There's lots of stuff for the kids to do. We show you just
Lots
now.
of animals and birds.
Yeah,
and
you're on a farm
hussies.
actually.
Yeah, some hussies. Yeah, I saw. Mama, mine is a triple skiki and yours is just a double.
Why are you skipping me off?
Because I want you to talk a lot tonight.
You worry that I lose my words.
You always lose your words.
I lost some already.
When I give you a 3 skiki, you always lose your words.
Okay,
but cheers,
let's
Mama.
try with the 2 skiki.
Yeah. We must drink this before
Cheers.
it changes color.
Okay, do it.
Jo. Klap my.
Joune is dan al half hè nie?
Ja, maar ek is dors jong, hè? Ja, en hier gaan nog een.
We still have to get our room.
I
Will you find the room?
I can see my room.
You can leopard crawl.
I can crawl to my room. Sure, and it was a long drive here. It was a long drive. I forgot because we always did KAK&K here in Oudtshoorn with a biltong caravan. And we did it for 14 years. And I forgot how far it is to Oudtshoorn. It's very far, but it's a nice drive. And thank you, Kobus, for sorting out our ride again. Oh my goodness, that car is just crazy. He gave us the M-Zoom Comfort line this time, huh?
Yeah.
The Comfort range. Last time he gave us the R style.
That's for
the
racing.
racing. This one is the Comfort one.
Still with the racing features.
Yeah, I had a smile on my face the whole day again. It's an amazing little car. I'm telling you, that thing goes like crazy. I cannot believe the amount of power they can put in that car for 1.5.
It's actually the top seller at the moment.
It's 100,000 rand cheaper than the other one.
Yes,
the
so,
black
and it
one.
was still cheap. The other one was also cheap.
No, I'm telling you, there's big things coming for South Africa. I think we're all going to change. You already this afternoon said you made plans. If we sell our car, when we retire, we can buy the bigger one.
Years time.
Cheers, Mama. But listen, enough of that. Let's go and show them what this place looks like.
The grounds,
Yeah, the
It's
grounds.
big grounds with lots of interesting stuff.
We're in the middle of a town.
Yes.
But it feels like we're on a farm. Huh?
Yeah.
It's crazy. Let's go and show them.
Okay.
I'm excited. Okay, Mama, let's start here with the animals. Huh? Just look at this.
Rabbits and parakeeten or what?
Nice.
Papagaaien.
Yeah, I don't know if it's papagaai, but it's beautiful birds.
See, and there's a hamster, big hamster there.
Oh, look at the hussies. It's black rabbits.
Look at this bird.
Huh? Oh, this one here. Hey, don't be afraid.
Birds.
Hey, hello. There's lots of them on the other side. Look, there's green ones as well as on.
Yellow ones. There's a yellow one on top.
Oh my goodness. Is that a hamster at the back there?
Yes, look at that.
Wow.
The long hair hamster.
A long hair hamster.
That's a tongue twister.
I think that brand is in your tongue already.
Oh my word.
Let me come from this side. Ah, so sy. Hallo. Jy moet jou hare sny, papi. Jou hare is te lank. Ja man. Mr. Rabbit. Eating all the feathers. Rabbit. Okay, so we've got chickens here. Look at this. Black and white chickens. Man, the best is they just walk around here, huh?
Ja.
They just part of. Ah, see, rabbits is out.
Ooh, one rabbit escaped. 2 rabbits escaped.
They just part of the grounds.
Oh, goodness. Running around freely.
Okay, so this section here is part of the Padstal, the restaurant of the Padstal.
You can sit outside.
You can sit outside, yeah?
Very nice.
We'll show you that later.
Yeah.
But let's go this side first. But it's beautiful. I love all these green
Openness.
plants and open spaces.
Just show them that side.
Yo, look
That
at
is
that.
the accommodation.
Yeah, with a red roof there.
Yes.
That's all the accommodations.
This whole grass area you can use in front.
Yeah, that's all
it's
part of
very
the.
nice.
It's all part of the accommodation.
Yeah, they are not self-catering, but there's a kitchen there at the end where you can get some crockery and knives and forks. And if you phone them, you can arrange for a braai. They put the braai at the front there.
Yeah.
If you look, there's some braais there.
We're gonna braai there
We're
tonight.
gonna braai there. Some more people coming. They are gonna braai there.
Yeah.
So that is for tonight.
I think
Very
he said.
nice.
I think he said. Gerard said that the first 7 here that we staying in number 4.
Yes.
And the first 7 is fully booked
It's
for
fully
tonight.
booked for tonight. Yes.
So, Mama, do
Yeah.
you know how to play chess?
You know, I did know because my son is a very good chess player and he taught me when he was young, but I just know the horse is my favorite.
The horse.
This one.
You
This
just like.
horse.
You just like to horsey around.
This horse is mine.
Okay, so the kids can play here while Mama and Papa is drinking inside.
Sitting outside.
Oh, outside, yeah.
You can have your lunch or whatever outside, watch the children. And
Yeah.
on this side, it's very nice. They've got the pat barn.
Yeah, we're gonna putt tomorrow, definitely, huh?
This is quite nice.
Yeah,
The
we're
green
gonna-
is nice
Mama,
and
look at
grass.
this. My love, look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
I'm in love with you.
Mama, you must lie in there. Don't lie, it's wet. You're gonna wet your ass. But
Is it liefde? Is it liefde? Is it waar?
it's waar.
Ja.
It's waar. Yo, this is nice. We're gonna enjoy this tomorrow, huh? I'm looking forward
Very
to it.
nice.
And Gerard built this himself, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, he said he built this himself.
He's building another 3 rooms that's going to be self-catering. That's going to be ready later this year.
Yeah, I think he said after April or something.
Yes.
It will be finished.
Yes.
Have you seen this? Just look at this
Oh
thing.
my goodness. This is now something
This
that they
is-
can explore
this
and
is
make
crazy.
it a honeymoon cabin.
Huh? This is crazy. Look at
It's
this.
so nice.
It's an old truck.
Yes.
And there's some geese here, ganse, wilde ganse, papi.
Ooh,
And makgans as well.
Makoue.
Makko. Look at this. This is an
Oh,
old
it's
truck
very nice.
that they actually built a room on it.
Yes. But
This
the
is
room,
crazy.
it's not a complete room. They don't use it anymore, but this is quite.
But they did use it in the beginning.
If this was a room, I'll rent it.
Yeah, definitely. This is like a honeymoon suite,
This
man.
is very nice.
Look at it, Mama. It's like a fairy tale.
I know.
Huh?
It feels like
It's like a fairy house.
surreal.
Tomorrow I'm going to take a picture of you here.
Yes,
Not
please.
now.
Yeah.
Apparently he says weekends, it's a Wednesday now.
Yeah.
But apparently the weekends are quite full here.
Full, yeah.
They-
and
they-
the people come and they
It's packed,
come
is it?
with the children.
Yeah.
And they make a day of it.
yeah.
But as I said, you can make a night of it.
Yeah,
Stay the
here,
day,
yeah.
sleep the night, go home the next day.
Mama, they've delivered our wood already.
Nice.
Lekker, we're going to braai
Yeah,
tonight.
Gerard's going to braai for us.
Yeah.
Okay, now
So
I just
this
wanna,
side, we've
if-
got the
if you
kiddies area.
pass the accommodation part in the garden, look at this humongous kids
Oh,
department.
there's a lekker play.
Yeah.
What do you call that? Jungle
Jungle
gym?
gym.
Jungle gym, that side.
Look at this slides.
Oh my goodness.
This is nice.
This is like a super tube.
Yeah, with no water.
You're not going to get wet. It's going to be dry. Just kyk al die balle. Jeez. My love, you can lose me between all these balls.
Oh,
if you just give me half a chance, you're gonna lose me
You're
here.
going to throw me with the balls, I know.
Yo, look at that. All the
That's a
balls.
giant hang mat. What do you call that?
Hangmat.
What's that? Oh, it's starting
It's
early.
starting early.
What is that? A hammock. Sorry. A hammock.
Starting
Sorry,
very
it's a
early.
hammock.
A hangmat.
Yeah. Come and look at this. You have to see this nice cars and stuff.
Oh, it's those thingies that you
Yeah.
get at the malls.
Yeah, beautiful.
Okay, that you put money in and then.
Yeah, but I
Okay.
don't.
Cool.
It's just for play. It's not
Yeah.
working anymore.
And there's slides as well.
Yeah.
This is a whole freaking adventure.
Yeah, so
park.
if you stay there with your kids, they can play
Yeah,
very
lekker.
safe. You
Let's go to the room.
Yes.
Right, this is the accommodation office.
Yes, if you want to book
Mama wants you
directly.
to just write down that number, please.
Yeah. If you want to book directly,
Yeah.
there's the number. So if you come out of the office and the number you've called already, let's show you where you're going to end up.
Yeah,
Okay.
in room number 4.
We're in room number 4. So there's 7 on this side. This is the stoop.
Look how cool is this, huh?
Yes.
And tonight it's going to be full here, so I think
Yeah.
everybody's going to
And
cater on the
everybody's
stoep.
got their chairs and their
Yeah,
table.
this is very nice.
It's nice and cool under the roof.
Ja. En hier het ons vir Gerard.
That's in Lisby.
Ja, Lisby, baie dankie dat julle ons genooi het.
Ja, cheers.
Daarso. Hou gou net
Baie
hier.
dankie.
Daar's hy. Cheers. Daar's hy. Baie dankie man. Cheers en cheers.
Ja, ons wys net gou vir die mense hoe mooi dit hier by julle lyk.
Ja, hierdie man het hierdie plekke self gebou.
Ja.
Nee, met jou se eie hande.
En besig met nog.
Besig moet nog ja. Dis 'n man wat nie kan stil sit nie.
Ja.
Hy wil net heeltyd nog en nog en nog en nog. Ja, so okay, hier is waar's nommer 4. Hier is kom ons gaan wys hoe lyk dit binnekant.
Hier's nommer 4.
Ja. Ja, jy kan sommer sien waar die coke staan.
Ja.
Dis waar ons bly.
Here we are.
Daar's hy.
Number 4.
Number 4, Poppy.
A very nice, spacious, big room.
Did you see that big bed?
Big bed.
My
Okay.
word. You're gonna do that.
It's a 4 sleep, but they mean only 2 sleep down here. 2 is up there.
Oh, they said I actually didn't even
Yes.
see that.
So don't fit
It's a
in
double
4 under one bed. It's for 2.
Yeah, but this is a big
Ooh,
bed.
this
Mama,
is
just
very
lie across
spacious.
like this. Just lie across like that, and it's cool inside here. Look at that. That is a humongous bed. We're just gonna use the one side. Huh?
Yeah, because you like bucky leg.
Yeah, bakkie, altyd
leg.
bakkie.
Yeah.
Mama,
Very
there you with your red dress on the wall.
Oh, you see?
Okay.
Okay, so there's the remote.
How's the bed? Firm, soft,
Very nice. Very comfortable, very big. Nice.
not too soft.
No. I see there's 2 remotes here. The one is actually for a television. And if I spot there,
Ah,
there's a television.
look at
So
that.
yeah,
Just above the door.
enjoy yourselves.
Lekker, huh?
En ek sien 'n boksie.
So you can lie on your bed and watch
Yeah,
TV.
and watch TV.
Cool,
There's
man.
DSTV. I've got the DSTV
They've
remote
got this
in
TV.
my hand.
Oh my
Yes.
word. Okay.
So,
Mama, and for the
They
price.
sorted.
For the price.
you get so much.
I don't like to mention price.
But geez,
But this is like 700 rand.
for 4 people.
No. 700 rand for 2 people and 800 rand for 4 people. It's just
100
it's
rand
just 100 rand extra
Oh
if you bring 2
my
other
word.
people. It's crazy.
It's like 200 rand per person per night.
It's crazy. It's I mean that's why they've like fully booked almost.
Yes, always.
Yeah.
And look at this. So that's why I say, if you're at the restaurant, have a few drinks, don't feel like going further.
Ja, lekker.
Kom
You can
lê
just
op hierdie bed.
you can just come and pass out here.
Kom lê hier op hierdie bed.
And then you can look like me the next morning.
Yes.
Oh, sorry now.
Here's the breakfast, an oily breakfast. And they've got given you a fan
But-
because we are in
It's Oudtshoorn, but at the moment it's hot outside, but it's
Yeah,
not
but
warm.
there's
It's
a
not
nice
hot in
breezy.
here. Yeah, it's cool in here. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so
I think it's the high ceilings. It's very high ceilings
very
here.
nice. It feels so spacious and big inside.
Yeah.
So if you come in at the door, we've used 2 glasses already for the Monster and
Yeah.
brandy.
Oh, so they give you
They
cups
give
and
you
everything.
cups, they give you this, they give you sugar, they give you coffee. That's tea bags. They've got
Okay.
the kettle
Okay,
here.
so you've
wine
sorted,
glasses,
you've sorted.
sugar.
Mama, I brought some wine as well, so
There's
we're
crockery.
gonna have some wine tonight as well.
Yeah, oh my goodness, we're gonna have it all.
And then
Okay.
I see there's a little fridge there.
Yeah, okay, let's do
Bottom first,
at the
yeah.
bottom
Yeah.
first. Okay. You come in here, there you can put your clothes there.
Have they got Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
Wow. Huh?
Yeah, well, full Wi-Fi as well.
For 700 rand.
DStv, Wi-Fi.
Yes.
You can organize a braai.
This is crazy.
It's actually self-catering
Yeah.
if you think about it.
It's very nice, yeah.
Hey?
And then they've got a little fridge freezer,
There's
yeah.
enough space for your ice, for Coke and whatever you
My
wanna
ice is
stop
in there
putting
already,
there.
yeah. Mama, I need more ice. Look at this.
Oh, I'll sort you out now.
I'll just down this one quickly.
Oh my goodness. It's gonna be a long night. Okay, and when you get out of your bed, you go into the bathroom. Put on the lights. Oh,
I'm just
also
interested in the
nice
shower.
big
Okay, that's the
bathroom.
potty. That's the
That's
potty.
the potty side. You can sit wydspeen as baie plek.
Mama, nee. People don't want to sit wydspeen on a potty.
Oh, okay, as jy wil ongekrimp sit, kan jy ook nou maar.
Basin, big mirror.
There's a big mirror.
You can see yourself
my
easily,
hair.
yeah. Oh,
Okay.
look at that big shower. Oh
A
my
big
word.
shower.
Jeez.
I'm not sure if it's going to work
yeah,
for you, but it's working for
That
me.
is a little bit of a problem. Let me see. But you know
You
what?
can stand.
You know, I just wanted to say,
Wow,
this is so big
Hy laat so
shower.
in jou gesig spyt.
I can stand over here and that thing can
Yeah,
just blow me out.
it can blow
okay.
you
Yeah,
away.
it's nice and big. Oh, I
Also
love
very
it.
nice again. Putting the taps on the one side so you don't have to stand here. Oh god, die ding spyt my nat. As dit warm, as dit koud, jy stel hom hier.
And they actually show you which one is
Yes.
hot and which one is cold.
Very good
Yeah,
idea.
because you always struggle.
Dan sit soos 5 minute mors jy water en as jy die koue kraan.
Happened to me every time.
Okay, so now.
Come on, I'll go upstairs
Yes, please.
because you've got a short rocky on.
Yeah, please.
Huh?
I'll tell you what's
Oh,
upstairs.
we can do it if you
No,
want.
you go your way. Go your way.
Okay, you can. Have you been upstairs?
I've been. I'll
okay,
tell
so
you
you
what's
can
upstairs.
you can give the commentary.
Yes. So
Up
if
the
you're
stairs.
fit, if you're very fit, you sleep upstairs. There's 2 single beds
Oh, okay.
with their towels and everything. They've got the side tables.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
Yeah. It's open, so put the kids that's not snoring up there.
So this is. Well, I'm sure this is not just for kids.
No, if you want coming for Kaka and Ka and you just
Yeah,
want to sleep
yeah,
here
yeah,
because
yeah,
you're having a good time at the
You're
festival.
4 best friends.
You're just sleeping.
Yeah.
This is a perfect.
I must say it's a little bit hotter up here.
Oh yeah, because it's near to the roof.
I can feel it. Yeah.
But you know what? We just spoke about how gracious these people are with their price and what they offer. We've got the TV, the DStv, the Wi-Fi, the fridge freezer, the braai outside, all these amenities and what's more.
But wait, there's
when
more.
It's cold,
Oh,
I've
no,
got
it.
hot
That is not
blankets.
going to happen this weekend or this
But
2
in
days.
winter it can also get very cold in Oudtshoorn.
Yeah, I know it can get
so
very cold.
they've
Yeah.
got that as well.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
What a nice,
Yeah.
nice apartment.
And just look at this. Just look at that spitter outside there.
Yes, so man.
It
Full of jy deur die water wil
you just
hardloop.
feel like you're on a farm. This is actually so nice. I can't wait for tonight's
greenery.
braai.
Look at the greenery. It's so nice, the greenery.
Yeah. Mama, and then this side is this is the 7 rooms on this side.
Yeah.
And then let's go to the other
Other
side.
side.
Just around the corner on the back end of these. They've got the other 7. And this is the
Parking?
This is the self-catering
Yeah.
in Wordum.
Yeah, they're still working on it.
Yeah.
Later this year, it's going to be self-catering with everything inside that you need,
Brand new.
brand new. And this is the safe parking they offer.
Undercover
Very
parking.
nice, undercover
Very cool.
parking.
Yeah, I like it.
Far
You see the
away
people
from
are
the
coming in.
road. Yes.
People are coming. Mama, we're going to have a lekker party tonight.
Ooh.
Lots of people. And this is the other 7 rooms.
There's another 7 rooms.
Okay, wow, look at
4
this.
people in 14 rooms. That's a lot.
Yo, that's a lot of
You
people
can
here.
have a massive party.
And I see right at the bottom, I see a spit braai. You see there?
You see.
There's a
So
spit
if
braai.
you've got an anniversary or something, you can book this place. Book out all the rooms
Sure.
and have a nice braai.
That'll be
spit
so
braai
cool.
on the
Imagine that.
grass.
And they're working on something. I don't know if I'm allowed to say it, but they're working on. Yeah, you're shaking your head, but I'm going to say they're working on something. Maybe in the future.
Yeah, but we're not going to tell you what.
Yeah, they're gonna do. I'm not gonna tell you what.
Watch the space.
Watch the space. Yeah, you can book this whole place
Yeah.
easily. Okay, my love. Time for next brandy.
Yeah, please.
And I'm still unpack.
Oh goodness, yeah.
My love,
Yes.
we bad influence.
Yeah.
Look how we're influencing these people. Huh? Cheers, julle.
Cheers.
We're drinking 'n kapoestertjie. Dit is so lekker hier in Oudtshoorn. Ons geniet dit verskriklik hier saam met julle. Cheers.
Yes.
Julle moet hom in die mond sit hom in die mond en dan skommel jy hom. Skommel hom.
Hoe lekker is dit?
Hoe lekker is dit?
Ek gee nou extra skop.
Kapoestertjie. Ons leer hierdie mense goed vanaand.
Môre is hierdie uitverkoop.
Julle moet sê as ons te wild is vir julle, ons kan dit bietjie tone down. Dis is lekker nie. Dit proe soos 'n oester met 'n
Slaap nou nog.
Dit proe soos 'n oester met 'n bietjie tabasco op.
Sy sal dit geniet.
Dis heerlik, né? Dis baie lekker. Ons gaan nou nog gooi. Ons gaan nou eers die vuur opsteek.
Ja.
Right. Wat sê Gerard?
Sy.
Daai lighters. Daai ding sal uitstort vir ewig. Glo jy vir my?
Sy.
Hy maak even nat hout. Steek daai ding aan die
Hy
brand.
kan mos nog net ek.
Ja, jy gaan hom moet mooi oopmaak. Het jy nie 'n knipmes nie? Waar is jou knipmes?
Nee.
Waar's daar 'n gaatjie? Daar's 'n
Ek
gaatjie.
is nie bang nie.
Is nie bang nie.
Ek moet dit knip.
Ai.
Sy.
Ag lekker, hierdie gaan nou lekker wees. Jy steek sommer die hele ding aan die brand.
Ja, ek gaan.
Laat hy net vat hy nou. Hallo
Ja,
nou.
vat en nou vat.
Hallo by. Druppie plastiek. As hy plastiek gedrup het.
Ja, nee,
Dan weet jy, hallo by. Dan vat hy.
Hy sal nou reg wees vir dit.
Yes, maar dis lekker hier by julle, hè? Dit is so ongelooflik.
Kyk 'n
Jy
bietjie daai kant.
kan nie glo. Ja, kyk net daai
Is dat nie
sonsak. Ons gaan 'n sonsak kry. Jy kan nie
Jy
glo.
gaan ver kom om in 'n dorp dit te sien.
Ek wil net sê jy kan nie glo ons is in die middel van 'n dorp nie, hè?
In die dorp.
Dit is 'n ongelooflike perseel hierdie. Joh.
Jy kry dit.
Nee, jy kry dit ja. Dis baie nice. I must just say, I love this man.
Sy.
Somebody that can pack a fire like this. I don't know this man, but he's like my guy. Look at this. Wow. Lekker. My love. Look at that, huh? Look at that restaurant's roof. You see all the lights. Huh, mama? Look at that. Wow.
Sjoe.
Huh?
Can you believe it's in Oudtshoorn?
Hey, this is a nice kuier, huh?
Yeah, what the hell?
Just turn this way. We've got light shining from that way.
Yeah.
And just now you missed it.
What?
We had a beautiful sunset there.
Oh, I saw
You
it.
and the girls were caring
I
on the stoep
saw
there.
that.
And we
And did you hear the boat?
Yeah, did you hear it? Did you
I
hear
did.
it? Okay. We lit the fire here, the men. And you guys were still on the stoep.
Yeah,
And I saw this
chatting away.
freaking
I saw
nice.
it, I
It
saw
just
it.
got red and redder and redder and redder and redder.
Okay.
That was a lekker evening this, huh? I really enjoy
I
it.
think tomorrow we're gonna be, we need a
Yeah,
break.
tomorrow I'm gonna be like, give me something oily.
Sorry now.
Lekker. Stap nader. Wat is dit? Hoe is dit ganse?
Jy gaan net opstaan.
Ek dink is hase.
Nee, kwakkers en konyne. Ag,
Ja.
kwakkers en kolgase.
Ek het nou regtig gedink daai wit is hasies.
Baie hase.
Ja, ek weet ek het gesien is baie hase. Sure, they are treating us tonight. Look at this. Lekker lamb chops. Boerewors. We've got udurfies here. We've got what is that? Pork beef strips. Sorry, that's beef strips. We've got lamb lollipops. Look at that. My goodness. We've got a cheese and onion bread. Julle? Ooh, we're gonna eat like kings tonight. My lief, hierdie manne braai soms so 2 roosters op 'n slag, hè?
Ons gewoon een van die bakke.
Kyk net al hierdie kos.
Hulle ken
Liewe
van braai.
Vader,
Joep.
garlic broodjie en die skaap choppies en
Dis die
die
garlic broodjie ook
durfies.
draai.
Sjoe.
Dis die garlic broodjie ook draai.
Nee, los hom. Mens meng nie in by 'n man se braai nie.
Okay.
Jou Gerard weet, hy weet. Jy kan sien hierdie man het sy lewe lank gebraai.
Het sy ligte volg en
Mamma, hy
hy
is soos ek, hy braai elke naweek. Ek braai net hierdie week ook.
Moenie fout maak, ons braai baie. Maar ek eet baie. Tap hom vol water. Nou kook ek hy goed om 2-3 uur. Haal ons al die bene en die goed uit.
Yes.
Gooi die redoek. Maar gooi hij komt extra weer terug in die pot. Wat is pakjes maar zo voeier. Aardappels. Raspberry maar een halve stak aardappels daar. Dan spijs ons daar.
Man praat stories vanaand.
Ek het gedraag dat die aardappels nou mes maak. Of wat is nou van die dinge stoeke wat ons braai en so. Dan maak ons dit nou mooi fyn. Gooi so 'n klomp snoek in, stukkies skreef in.
Dit klink soos 'n regte Weskusser.
Hy mense nou almal van die sop.
Ek ken nie mense geheime nou hier weg.
Nee, ons gaan hom stop. Ek gaan nou maar hierdie ding stop.
Dit is nie van die sop. Wat julle nie opeet nie, gaan julle vir breakfast kry. Wat julle nie vir breakfast opeet, gaan julle vir middag eet.
Maar hoor jy,
Wat julle nie middag opeet kry, gaan julle vir aand eet.
maar ek
Daai-
moet
Julle
weg
sal
so.
dit eet.
Daai klink soos 'n bargain.
Verlede naweek na 'n plek toe ons maak 'n pizza. Ons eet 4 keer. Ons kan nie weer so baie eet nie.
Ons is jonk getroud. Nou is ons seker so
Dit
3,
lyk
5
lekker.
jaar getroud.
Dis jare gelede.
Hy een wat ou
Wat is hier so noedelslaai? Is dit 'n curry noodle?
Nou hoor ons ook maar.
Gewone ene. Dit lyk heerlik.
Ja.
Nee, stroller.
Is daai wat broccoli slaai? Daai is my favourite. Ek is mal oor 'n broccoli.
Van die stoof. Nou dat ons 'n stuk
En natuurlik die vleisies is my beste.
Nou dat
Ek is maar 'n ou vleisie mens. Bors. Lekker, lekker.
moet
Net
seker
so 'n hoë pizza.
seker 5 kg kaal word. Ja, nou maak ons hy ons sê vandag nog ons hulle beste pizza wat hulle leef.
Ek vanaand hoor ons aan stories nee.
Jy moet nou stop af.
Ek moet nou stop. Okay. Ons gaan nou eet en dan gaan ons slaap. Good night. Morning my love.
Morning.
You look nice and fresh this morning after last night's party. I've got a bit of a brandewyn tummy this morning. But yeah, we're on the Langenhoven Road, where the Smitswinkel is, and just look at this. It's such a nice setup here. Look at that old car. There's a lot of old stuff in here. Motorbikes and we'll show you now. Yeah, number plates and everything. It's you actually need a while to go through everything. Yeah. But let's go and have a look.
Ja.
And then we'll show you the restaurant as well. We're going to eat there tonight.
Yes.
We're not going to do breakfast here. We're going to do dinner tonight. Today I want to go into town a bit, and I want to go on to. I want to go down memory lane. I want to go and see if I can find our old home, and I want to go and visit my old school, Westbank School. I want to just go down memory lane today.
Oh, okay.
Can we do that?
Yeah, we can do that.
I was thinking that last night while I was sleeping.
And then I'll show you one interesting place I visited that you don't know about.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay, that's cool. It's lekker to just do stuff that we never do, huh?
Yeah.
Go to places we never visit.
Yeah.
It's lekker. This is such a cool place. Sure. But it's hot today, huh? Jeez.
Okay, so follow me to the most interesting place in Oudtshoorn.
Yeah. And well known.
Yeah, well known.
Hello.
Here's some of the specials they've got for the night.
Okay.
Steak flame grilled. That looks very nice.
And it's not that expensive.
T-bone, yeah. Cake of the day.
Cake of the day. You feel like a cake, huh?
I feel like something sweet. So here we
Yeah,
are.
well, where we go? I
Look
just see
at
the
this
wine
big-
again.
Okay, let's start from
I see all
from
the
a-
wines.
one side.
I'm gonna look at this. This is freshly baked bread.
Homemade bread and cookies.
Sure.
They've got like
Jan
interesting spices and stuff. You can ready mix cakes. I just see the cakes.
Bitskit.
Bitskit.
Sure. All the sauces.
En daar's krimpelpap.
Oh, lekker.
Wat is dit? Beerbread. Oh, wow.
Daar's ook Jan Pap.
Jan pap wat jy ken.
Oh, this is interesting.
Oh, wag, kyk hoe in die boksie,
Ah,
dieper
kijk
in
maar
die boksie.
Ooh, what is that? That's gonna burn my eyes
Ja.
and my mouth.
If you need a
Braaibakker.
braai.
Mama, huh? Jeez.
Nice. Okay,
look at all the wine.
This is your affair. Oh,
I'm just gonna-
lieve
I'm just gonna run through this wine because I don't want any
Let
wine
me
this
just
morning.
show you. Just show you. if you need a flask, that
Yes.
is a mother of a flask.
Goodness.
Look at that.
Mama,
Time
for
to
my-
refuel them.
my
How
love,
many bottles is
for
going to
my-
go in
For my
there?
birthday. I don't know. You can buy that for my birthday. Huh?
Or your birthday. Now, I'll make a note, a mental note.
Yeah, okay. I want that. I want that.
Okay.
But I mustn't see you buy it. You must buy
Yeah.
it. There's another one. Oh, there's a couple of them. Yes, this is interesting, huh? There's a couple of bottles we're going to go
There's
in
something for you. There's something for you. Jy is kiefkoel.
there. Wow.
In 'n
It looks like knickknacks.
Dis knickknacks. Dis oulik.
Yeah. Wow. People are so clever, huh?
There's a monster.
Is it, what is this? Is it,
It's
don't
the
know.
glasses like the glasses
but what
we
is in
sell,
there?
but inside, I'm not sure
it's
what's
like a little
inside.
lappy inside. I don't know.
Is 'n braai kappie.
Oh, right copy. Okay. I just see garlic
Of
salts. Huh?
Spices.
Jeez.
Aroma.
Look at this. This already takes me back to my childhood. Huh? I also had toys like that. Yeah,
Yeah.
all the wooden toys.
I like this game. I like
Yeah, I
the
know you-
number
I
plates.
know you
and
like
these
that,
things. It's nice. Is there a Thailand one? There's a Tennessee one.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna get
New
Thailand
York,
here.
Texas.
South African people don't really like, not like, but they don't know
No
Thailand.
Thailand, yeah.
I don't know why we're so in love
But
with
this
Thailand.
is very nice to put in your bar.
Yeah. Oh, I can just smell all the leather.
I like this one. This is very nice.
Mama, here's your letters.
Oh yeah. Zelmay and Limery.
Oh. This is like a market.
Yes, they've got all kinds of stuff. Pots and where you can put plants in.
Mama, and I must say, they make it so nice and interesting for the kids. Look at this.
So you drop the kids off and
No,
you
you-
shop till you drop this side.
You've got a whole playpen inside. There's
Yeah.
there's a whole thing outside we showed you yesterday.
Very nice.
Yeah,
You
they
keep the
really
children busy.
love the children here.
Yeah.
I think Oudtshoorn, I don't think they've got TV. There's too many children here. Huh? There's nothing to do in the evenings. They just gooi puppy.
Oh, wow.
I think
want
I
ice
deserve
cream.
an ice cream.
You
this
want one
morning.
now?
Yes, please.
Which
I
one
deserve
would you
an ice
like?
cream.
Lekker. Tornado.
Just look at this massive Tabasco sauce. Huh?
Lieve land. And there's the
Jeez.
green one also.
That will last you forever.
Not with you in the house. Which one would you like?
I've had that before. That's a twirly one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Okay.
Nice.
Maybe I mustn't eat too much cream.
Exotic fruit.
And they've got biltong here as well at the
Water.
back. It's not hectic biltong, but it's biltong. Thank you, my love.
Pleasure.
Okay. This is a restaurant, huh?
This is a nice
Just look at
restaurant.
that mother of a fireplace.
Big. Oh,
Jeez,
it's
this is quite
interesting
nice.
inside. Wow.
Wow, look at now. You're gonna have to look at everything.
Every corner, yeah.
There's the pat.
Oh yes, you can hire
Patters.
it here.
Yeah.
Oh my good. So this is the army.
This is the army.
Oudtshoorn's army.
Yeah. That's an old jeep, huh?
yeah.
Jeez. Huh. I
Blacksmith
wonder where they got
coffee.
all of this.
Look at this
I would
side.
love to sit by
Oh,
this
wow.
fire when it's on.
Oh, I sit here.
Oh, okay, cool as that. Yes, see.
My ligte is aan.
Jou ligte is
Papi.
aan,
Ek gooi
papi.
flikkers vir jou.
Just look at that bike at the back. Yes.
There's an old gas pump.
This place, it reminds me of, I can't remember the name, but we were in Namibia at a
Yes.
place like this, remember?
Look at that.
There's a plane in the house. Yes.
That gives you an idea how big this place
Yeah.
is. There's a plane hanging from the roof.
It's a full-on plane, Poppy.
Wow.
Yes. See.
And this place is well known for its motorbike collections. Look at all that small motorbikes
Yo,
in
look
there.
at this. I wonder where he found all of this, huh?
Yeah, that must be worth very much.
Yes. Look at the old slot machine, Lizanne.
Ooh, does it work?
I don't
Can
know.
I win?
You actually like that one.
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, so you can sit all over here. This is
can
the
sit
whole
all over.
restaurant area.
Yeah, and we'll show you outside. There's another big
You can
space
sit outside as well, yeah.
But before we go outside, we'll have to show them the interesting bar they've got here.
Look, this is a whole plane, army plane.
Yes,
old
they've got
planes.
that's the army. This is the
Section, yeah.
aviation
Yeah,
area. Yeah, aviation.
Aviation
Groot woord vir my daai.
Huh? It's just but these bikes, huh? Look at this.
Wow.
My word. This is crazy.
Old cars collection.
Phew.
Is dit nie 'n bommerie? 'n chopper.
Chopper.
Jy is weer
Nee, ek het nie 'n chopper gehad nie, maar 'n vriend van my het 'n chopper gehad.
Okay, hier gaan ons nou.
This is the famous bar.
This is
My
the
love,
famous
just
bar.
look at the chairs. I just want to sit on that chair. Huh?
Ooh.
Look at this.
My
You
word.
see, this is the back of a
The
bike.
high one is for you and the low one
This
is
is
for
the back
me.
of a bike. This
Ek
is
hou
so,
daarvan.
so,
Ek wil nog
so
altyd
cool.
graag verkeerd om op
Besop.
verkeerd om op 'n bike gesit het. Daar doen ek dit nou.
Besop, jy het 'n kort rokkie aan.
Ek het 'n kort rokkie aan.
We're not going to drink a beer now
No.
because it's still early.
Very early.
But this afternoon we're going to come
Yeah.
and have a beer here.
And this is an old tree. It was, it's a tree that was in a fire, but it's so hard it can't burn. They say.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think Gerrit built this himself. Just see.
Very interesting.
Yeah, nice place.
Yes, but just turn around. My word, where do you start? Let's
Just
start
look at
from
all of this.
one side.
Oh, what tree is
my
this
heck,
again?
there's a bike on the
On the roof.
on the roof.
Yes. See.
That is a pepper tree, but we're
Pepper
getting
tree.
to
This,
that.
this is the biggest pepper tree in Oudtshoorn, or
Yes.
in the Western Cape or something.
Yes, it's
They
very big.
said, yeah.
And you can just see the front side
Yeah, it goes at the back.
around there.
I can see there, yeah. The glass is a bit dirty,
Yeah.
but yo,
And
you don't know where to look.
Ooh, lekker kombies.
Hey, you know what they call that,
Yeah,
huh?
I'm not going to say it.
A surfer truckie.
Seven trucking.
Listen, so this is part of the restaurant as well.
This is part.
So
you can sit and eat here if
sit
you want.
as well.
If you like this ambiance, you can
Yeah.
sit in here.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Oh my word, you don't know where to look.
Yeah,
This is a biker's paradise.
I'm telling you.
Wow, look
All the
at
choppers
all
there.
that. From
Yes.
old to...
There's not
Much
new.
new.
There's nothing new.
Is this a trike?
It's
Oh no.
all it's old,
Yeah.
old bikes,
Wow.
and built-up bikes. And
This they use in the movies.
yeah,
Everywhere you look, it's just wheels.
just see. No, this is a very interesting place, I must say. Look at this.
This is a Harley Davidson Mecca.
Yo. This actually goes down very nicely now, huh? Nice and cool inside. Sure. Oh, and then there's outside
Okay.
place as well.
Big outside
Look at this.
space. Oh, I don't know how many people they can accommodate, but it's a lot.
That's a lot, yeah. Wow, look at this.
Yeah.
Jeez, this looks nice, huh?
This is nice. I want to eat there
This
tonight.
is where last night, where they had those lights, that fairy lights
Oh,
in the
yes, that
roof.
you
We-
showed
we
me.
saw that last night, yeah.
Oh, but look at this cute car.
A mini,
A mini. Oh, wow.
Austin Cooper.
It looks like the mini is standing in town. Look at where are we with
Look
all
at that-
this?
look
is
at that
this
mural,
Paris
yeah.
or where's this?
That is like, I don't know,
Florence.
Italy or somewhere.
Somewhere. It's beautiful. Painted.
Just, yeah.
Yeah, I think I'll have.
I think we must sit outside.
I'll take number 23. That looks very nice.
Yeah, it's nice and cozy here, huh?
Wow. Okay, let's go onto the grass. Go onto the grass. Woo.
Yeah, so you can sit outside here
Yeah.
as well, on the grass, and that's where we stayed last night.
Yes.
That's the
very
accommodation.
convenient.
There by the red roof.
Wow.
Okay.
So if
Really
you've got
nice-
little children and
nice
you want
place.
to watch them, you sit and eat outside.
Yeah,
Then they can play there.
yeah, it's very nice here. I thought of everything here.
Yeah, it's nice and green.
Just, but I like this outside area.
Yeah.
Yo. Mama, you ready? In your comfort range, GAC M Zoom. Huh?
I'm ready to go.
Yeah, this is quite a nice car, I must say. And for the price, they obviously took a lot of bells and whistles out.
Yes.
It hasn't got all that lane assist and all the adjustable speed control and all of that. It's got speed control, but just normal speed control. And it hasn't got electric seats. It hasn't got leather seats. It's got like what do they call it? Half leathers.
Half leathers.
Yeah. So it's quite nice. It's still and it's nice.
It's still got a sporty look.
It's got a sporty look and it's nice material. It's not flimsy material. Yeah.
Yes.
But they obviously had to take 100,000 rand off this car. So they had to take some of this fancy stuff off.
Yeah, but they still got this nice.
Yeah, it's very nice.
I just love it that it's not plastic. It feels like leather.
It's a solid car.
It's
so
solid. If you
car.
close the door, can I close the door?
Yeah.
It's not black.
Yeah, look,
Well,
listen to that.
Yeah. Also got the blue. Very nice.
It hasn't got that knoppy here that you can make it sound like a racist car or not. Yeah.
But
So they
that's
took
much
that
better
off.
because when you put on that sound, you just want to go.
Yeah, you just want to go.
Yeah.
But I'm really impressed with this car.
Yeah, very nice.
I
The
really
same
like it.
lines as the other one.
Yeah.
Outside, the
Same
same
power,
lines, the
lots
same
of power.
Yeah.
I don't know where they get the power from. 1.5 liter engine, but there's so much power. It's crazy.
Yeah, it scares me.
I know. She actually said yesterday, I don't like this car anymore.
Yeah.
You drive too fast.
Yeah, I like the bigger brother, well, which one I'm gonna buy still. But with the Fortuner, you are very comfortable. You go like 100,
Not comfortable.
120.
I'm very relaxed.
Relaxed. And
because
now
it's a
with
big-
this car, it's
a
like
big-
boom, boom, everywhere. I'm just,
Yeah, but
waar moet ek vashou?
this is a small little nippy car. It's nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. I think young people will love this car.
I think, I'm not sure, but I think it's about 340,000 rand around about there. Yeah.
And that's very
That's
nice.
cheaper. That's cheap.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So,
Okay, let's go.
Also, it's got a very nice, big place for the children to sit.
And it's
nice
got-
leg space.
It's got that ISOFIX
Yes.
for the baby chairs,
Yeah.
which is quite nice.
Yes. No, this is very nice. And the boot is also nice and big.
Big, yeah.
So,
Okay,
yeah.
let's go to town.
Ready to go.
Let's go paint this town red, baby.
Oh, my word.
And this is what Oudtshoorn looks like when it's not car. They still got the feathers here, Mama.
Yeah.
All the colors,
Ostrich feathers.
Ah,
Very nice.
it looks completely different, eh?
Ja. En die wat vra van eierdoppe, daar lê 'n klomp vol struiseiers.
So, there's no stalls in the roads, there's nothing. Now it's just a normal town.
That's the Queen's Hotel, that's
Ja.
very popular.
Yeah. This takes me back, huh? All the years we were in this little steegje here,
Oh my goodness.
between these buildings.
Yeah, we had a lot of clip trips.
Yeah, there, our stall was always in there.
There's a lot of other stuff in there now. Yeah,
Look at
lots of.
this, we're passing the Kango Wildlife Ranch.
And this is where the sloth is also. I remember this is where the sloth is.
Yeah, we've
also.
been here before, yeah.
Yeah. The sloth is quite amazing.
Yeah, shame it's a very...
There is.
Oh, on the board there.
Yeah.
It's a very
Go slow.
Yeah, it's a very slow animal.
Oh, moeder.
Yes, was hy.
This is the place.
Yeah.
Nice. Been there, done
Been
that.
there, done that.
And another thing of Oudtshoorn is the Kango caves the people
Yeah.
go to. We've been there as well, but we are taking you to another nice
Yeah,
place.
my love is taking me
Yeah.
somewhere I haven't been.
I've been there before.
Well,
it was very nice.
It's on this road, so
It's on this
people might
road.
know where it is.
Yeah. Free entry.
Buffels Drift, puppy. Buffels Drift Game Lodge. Cool, mama. Okay. These days we're really in between the animals the whole time, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, see. We're going to all these places with animals.
Yeah.
We're really doing the safari. Hello, welcome. Hey. It feels so bushvelty.
But this is one amazing place.
Ah.
Beautiful
Oh, look at that.
place.
Oh, there's a dam.
Yeah, I told you. There's seekoeie in that dam.
Really?
Yeah, hippopotamus.
I didn't know the restaurant was looking onto the dam.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Sure. Oh, thank you for taking me to these nice places.
I'm gonna come and bring you here for an anniversary or a birthday, and then I'll book us a place. And
Sure,
then,
that'll be nice.
yes, one of the accommodations that's right on the dam. It's
Fancy,
very
mama,
nice.
fancy.
Yeah,
Yes, I love these wooden paths.
very
Huh?
nice, very nice. This is the
Gift
office.
shop. Reception.
Yeah, reception, and then you go to the restaurant.
Yo, my love. This is beautiful. Oh my word.
This is a bar area where you can have a drink and sit in the
Mama, look at all
aircon.
Look at all the ganse.
Liewe land.
I thought it was sticks.
Ah,
What the hell?
beautiful, eh?
Jeez.
Look at this, got a wedding chapel as well.
Karoo Wedding Chapel. I've never seen so many wild geese together in my life.
Very nice.
Jeez. So is it an outdoor restaurant?
Yeah, there's indoor and outdoor, but outdoor is very nice.
Yeah, it's such a lovely day.
Very big deck, you can choose where you want to sit.
Look at this.
Very nice.
Yes.
But I want to sit at that side.
Wow.
Yeah.
Mama, let's go into the chapel.
You want to marry me?
Over and over and over again.
That's the correct answer.
What? Look at all those big fish. My goodness. Jeez. Oh,
Ah, hippo.
hippo.
Ah,
I see
say.
now. Can you imagine, Lizanne? If they all start screaming.
Yeah.
Huh?
Can I just show you the way we stayed?
Yeah.
This one.
The first one.
Yeah.
This one, yeah.
Yes. That
Okay.
was very amazing.
Huh.
You sit on that deck there,
Yeah.
and you just watch the hippos. At the bank there's animals come drinking all the time, so you see a lot of animals.
Mama, there's a
Crocodile.
no, not a crocodile. It's a tortoise. There's a tortoise as well.
Oh my goodness.
There's some more here, this side.
Ag moeder, kyk hoe
Ja.
swem hulle.
Okay, so that's the restaurant.
Yeah. And the little bucks, they walk around in the gardens to your
Sure.
chalets.
Yeah, it's a nice place. Now you must definitely bring me here.
And this side, if you go down there, that path, there's 3 big elephants. You do an elephant excursion. They are back at the back
I've
there.
heard about that.
Yeah, very nice.
Huh.
So if it's
This is
cold,
inside?
Yeah, this is inside.
Hello, Mora.
Hallo.
Okay. Beautiful, huh?
Hulle het buffet breakfast as jy hierso slaap. Pak hulle alles daar uit.
So,
Big. And in the evenings they light a fire. You can sit inside. Have
But
a
we're gonna
nice
sit
dinner.
outside.
We're gonna sit outside.
yeah, okay. Cheers, my love. Huh?
Cheers.
Yes, see, look at this. And we decided on a charcuterie board, platter board, as if we don't eat enough platters. Huh? But this,
So
look at
this
this.
looks very nice.
It looks so nice, yeah.
Love all the cheeses.
Yeah. Yeah, we weren't.
Figs.
I wasn't feeling a big meal.
But
I
this
was-
is big enough.
This is big enough, but
Yeah.
I'm glad we took this. And I'm sure this is
Patay.
olive pate or something. Oh yeah, it's olives.
And this
That's
one?
all mine. That looks like sun-dried tomatoes.
That's all mine.
I'm gonna eat that on cheese. And there's the figs.
Yeah, nice.
Mama? Ooh, goodbye.
Bye.
Enjoy.
Cheers on that.
Yeah. Huh? Again? We can cheers again.
Yeah,
Why not? Mama, here's the hippo next to us. Yeah,
They're not shy.
I would love lying in that water now. What are you doing? Huh?
You just had a drink of water.
You're playing with Bambi.
Yeah, you just had a drink of water.
Ah,
Yeah.
out of the fountains.
Now you're gonna eat the plants.
Dis my smak, hè? Jo. Hey. Mama, so this is the one. You stayed here?
This is the one we stayed in.
Oh, wow, nice. On the water, huh?
Yeah. And look
Jeez.
at this nice deck in front.
Number one.
Number 1.
Oh, there's another deck here.
Yeah. On the dam.
Ja, lekker.
Yeah.
That's nice.
And the hippos just come to in front of there.
Okay,
And
cool.
you can sit here and you can listen to them at night.
Nice. Mama, and now can this
This
one
can
zip,
open
zip
up?
open?
Yes.
And then you're inside. And there's more tents up there
Yeah.
and there.
This is just a small amount. The more you walk that way, the more
Oh, there's
tented-
more over
Yeah,
there.
there's a lot.
Oh, it's beautiful, huh?
Wow.
Jeez.
Lekker.
on the dam. Sure, it's nice.
Telling that you can take.
Yo, this is so nice. How's it, Mama? After a long day in Oudtshoorn, down memory lane, up memory lane, across memory lane,
In the heat of the day.
in the heat of the day, and Buffels Drift, that was nice.
Yeah.
Now we're going for supper.
Supper
Lekker.
at Smitswinkel.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, it's just a short walk.
Short walk. We're on the sweet drinks tonight, huh? Hunters in a red square.
Yeah.
What happened? I think
Brandy was too much.
the brandy is still sitting
Yeah,
right here.
yeah, yeah. No, oh my goodness. Stay away from
I
that.
was thinking of wine this afternoon.
Oh, my
That
word.
we're gonna drink wine tonight, but I'm not there yet.
No, no. I think we're finished now. We
For a long time.
Yeah.
Until the next one. Cheers. It's such a nice evening, huh? Yes, it's beautiful here. I mean, we sit next to your beautiful mural.
I want to get in there.
You wanna
I wanna
get into
open
the
that
mural?
door and just
I just
Go
hope,
in there.
I just hope nobody starts this mini and drive over me.
oh my word.
Yeah, but it's nice. And they're actually quite busy tonight. There's a
Yeah,
lot
there's
of
a lot of
sounds here
people
and people
inside and
outside
outside on
yeah.
the grass.
It's nice festive, huh?
Yeah.
I like it. I like it a
Oh,
lot.
it's a nice place.
I can't wait for the lights to come on. So that you can see your fairy lights. So what do you think of the menu?
This is a huge range menu, this. There's for breakfast, there's so much options. I don't know what to choose, but luckily we're here for dinner.
Yeah, yeah.
So-
you mustn't look at the
no,
breakfast
but
menu.
I just want to show you
Skip
this
the breakfast
breakfast
menu.
omelets, roosterkoeken, toasted sandwiches. And then when you open it, we saw somebody order a burger. It's like
I
this.
saw that burger,
stacked
yeah. I
like
saw that burger.
Luckily you didn't order a burger. You won't be
No,
able
there's
to
no
eat
way
it.
I can eat that thing.
But they've got guacamole, jalapeno burgers.
Lekker.
Yeah, and in the baskets, there's a lot, quite a good range of baskets as well, and which caught
Is
my
that now
eye.
the combos?
Yeah.
Like combos in a
Yes,
basket?
combos in the box, like
Okay.
like ribs and chicken wings and what.
Oh,
what.
okay.
So you've got the big boss one, but that's already quite big, and then you've got the super boss.
That one is.
I've
I'm sure
read
that one is
there.
made for me.
It's more than 1.5 kilos fruit.
Yes.
That. Okay, and then what I chose is the I chose a Hawaiian schnitzel because I can't eat so much, but there's a mighty stack that's got 3 schnitzels stacked on each other
Oh.
with stuff in the middle.
And chicken cheese and everything.
Yes,
yeah.
and like a
that
sauce
sounds nice.
and a sauce running all over it like a fountain.
Oh,
And then I know what
Greasy.
you chose the
yeah, I want
the
the
sticky
ribs.
wings.
I want the ribs tonight.
Sticky,
yeah.
sticky ribs.
Yeah.
You took the sticky ribs, yeah.
I
And they've
like
got
ribs.
specials as well. I saw on the board. They've got sirloin steak. They've got rump steak. Nice specials in front.
That's a very nice place.
Yeah, and they've got pizzas. They've got something of everything. Pizzas. They've got fish. They've got salads. Kids menu and check this out.
Sure.
That's the drinks
Is
menu.
that just the drinks?
That's just the drinks menu.
Holy moly, Mama, we
Hey?
can sit here the whole night, but all of a sudden we're alone. Everybody's finished eating now.
Yeah, because the lights came on and they just gave us this perfect night alone.
Yeah, it's just ridiculous the weather here in Oudtshoorn.
So if
It
we
is so
finish eating, are we going to take a drive in the Mini?
This mini, I don't know. That mini is not going to go anywhere.
We drive in that streets.
That mini is not going to go anywhere. My love, what do I always say? Groet my.
Groet my.
Plakkepalam. Huh? Just look at this. This is ridiculous. My word.
That is now the 600 gram.
That's a
but
six-
it looks
yeah.
like more like a kilo.
That looks like a kilo.
Woo, you're going to
Oh,
die.
I'm going to die. And yours is very saucy, huh?
And it's got
Lekker.
a pineapple on.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Look at me now, because after this, I'm not going to look the same. I'm going to be completely
Stuffed.
somebody else. Cheers. I'm looking forward to this. Oh, wow. And they've put the lights on. We're just waiting for it to get a little bit darker. And it's so romantic here. Huh?
Yeah, I love it.
I love it as well.
This is a nice place.
Crazy. They said their ribs, they're famous for their ribs. It's their speciality. So, and I love ribs. Wherever we go, I eat ribs. So let's do the first bite test. I'm nervous now. Oh my.
Beep, beep,
What?
beep.
Beep, 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 beep. Jeez. Look at this. It falls off the
Off
bone.
the bone.
It is so soft. Look at that.
Oh my word.
The sauce is nice and sticky. Oh, it's
I'm
sweet.
so glad. I know you're
Mama,
not going to eat everything,
this-
so I'll have a bite later.
This is, I just said, I'm not going to mention their name, but there's a certain restaurant that I love their ribs.
Yeah.
This one is definitely better.
Beat it.
It beat it. You know which one I'm talking
I
about.
know.
This one is definitely better.
Lieve
Oh.
land.
This is
That is a first.
one of the best I've ever had.
Smits Winkelboer.
And to think I came to Oudtshoorn to get that.
Can you imagine?
Yes. Oh.
Wow. Ach, you must enjoy it. I can see you are just in
Lekker.
your element.
Oh, lekker. And I got another beer.
Life is good.
You know me so well. Life is good. Look at that sunset behind you. Huh? Look at. I'm gonna walk there. I need to walk this off. It seems like I haven't had anything yet, but I've actually had almost half of it. But I just want to check this. Look at this. Wow. This is so beautiful. Jeez, look at Lizanne, it looks like a picture. Like a frame. Yeah, that's beautiful. Good morning, good morning.
Morning.
Huh? Oh, it's that time of day again, huh? Saying goodbye.
Saying goodbye. It's very hot
It's
already in
hot.
Oudtshoorn.
I'm telling you, Oudtshoorn is cooking.
Yes.
But listen, this was a nice 2 days, huh? Yes, I'm
very
telling
nice.
you. And you guys can't say that we don't bring you all different accommodations. We don't always do just the same
Yeah.
expensive hot tub accommodations. This is so affordable and it's actually so nice.
Yeah, you can book it for one night
Yeah.
if you're on your way somewhere.
Yeah. It's ideal. I just told her this morning, it's ideal if you want to come for a wedding or for
Yeah.
kaka and ka or for whatever.
Yeah.
You can phone this number up here. I'll leave the number up here. And phone that number to do your bookings. And if you don't like to shower and you like to take a bath, just ask them. They've got 4 units that's got baths as well.
Yeah.
And it's actually quite nice. It's huge. They actually made the
That's
bathroom.
freestanding baths.
Yeah, they made the bathroom a little bit bigger, and it's got these and hers basins and 2 mirrors. It's actually quite nice. So you can just ask them the same price. You just
Yeah.
request the bath one.
Yes.
There's 4 of them.
Yeah, and while you're here, remember, don't go past in Oudtshoorn if you don't stop at Smitswinkel and have the ribs.
Those ribs are ridiculous. And then please, when you take the ribs or when you order the ribs, take a picture and
Yeah.
send it to me.
Yes.
Those ribs will change your life forever.
Oh, he will
crazy.
celebrate at home when you get the pictures.
I've still got a little bit left.
Yeah, I know.
I couldn't eat the whole thing last night, so
Yeah.
I've still got a little bit of a takeaway.
It's very worth your money.
Yeah, so this afternoon it's going to be ribs again.
Yeah. So thank you, Jack, for giving us that nice meal yesterday.
Yeah.
And thank you, Lisby and Gerard, for the nice accommodation.
Yeah, it was very nice, really.
And remember, if you know somebody with accommodation or you own accommodation and you want us to come and do a promotional video,
Yeah,
contact us.
that'll be nice.
Yeah, we'll
That's-
come do you a free promotional video.
That's what we do, puppy. That's what we do.
Yeah.
So yeah, give us a comment down below if you've got somebody or you know somebody.
Yeah, or send a WhatsApp or
and
an
I'll
email.
I'll send you a WhatsApp and we can chat on WhatsApp. Yeah. So and remember to subscribe. Remember to
That's
subscribe.
one of the most important things.
That's, you cannot believe how important that is for us. That just grows our channel and it just opens more doors for us to go to these places. And
yeah, and it's for free. It
it's
doesn't
for
cost
free.
anything.
It doesn't cost you anything. We won't spam you with
Nothing.
Yeah, nothing. Yeah. So just do the subscribe.
So we're on our way to Hartenbos for a bit cool air.
Breakaway, a little bit of a
Yeah,
breakaway.
a little bit of a breakaway.
And then it's back home again and the
Yeah.
year must just go on.
Yes.
Okay, you guys, we'll see you on the next one.
Yes.
Very excited for the year that's ahead.
Mm.
Yeah.
It's going to be busy.
See you.
Bye.